Hi, this is your Airbnb specialist, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find Airbnb phone number when you need to speak to someone as a host, right? Airbnb is doing their best to hide their phone number. They want everyone to go through their help guides before they call them. And it used to be at the bottom earlier where you could just click on help and there was a navigation. I have a previous video on that, but that doesn't work anymore, right? There is only one way to find Airbnb contact number, and there is a phone number for every country they operate in. Okay, and to be able to find the phone number, I'm going to show you how you can do that. But to be able to find it, you need to have a reservation that starts within next 24 hours. Okay, that is a must, right? So once you have a reservation, that is someone is arriving within next 24 hours. So I've got this uh, a property where I have someone arriving today. Okay, so you need to find a reservation who is someone arriving today or within next 24 hours. You go on to that reservation on your calendar, and you can only do this from your computer. You won't be able to do this from your phone. Okay, so go onto your computer, go to your calendar, and find the booking which is starting in the next 24 hours. So I have this person who's due to arrive today, and then on the right hand side scroll down and click on change or cancel reservation. Okay, now bear in mind Airbnb won't let you cancel a reservation online, so you cannot, if a reservation is starting within the next 24 hours, you cannot cancel by press of a button. Okay, they want you to call them. Okay, and that is exactly what we're going to do. We're going to click cancel, and because it is starting in the next 24 hours, they say call us at this number. And that is the number for your country. Okay. However, if you want to find the other numbers for Airbnb where they operate, you just click on this link. It doesn't appear like a link, but when you hover over, it is a clickable link. Okay. So click on view local support numbers, and there you go. Every single country they operate in, there is the phone number for them. Okay, just use this trick and you will always find. And I've always seen this, they haven't changed. They keep moving the phone numbers, they keep hiding it on the website, but this way always works. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. I do like to share these tips and tricks every now and then. I wish you all the best.